Get him, get him. Oh, wait.
He's still got two hands on the pen.
I won't accept it.
Yeah, well.
One hand.
Alright, the
I
pen's
have his
gone.
hands. Hand me the pen. Hand me the pen.
What?
I'm helping you.
I bet fancy apple smelling people don't have lunch like this.
Next to a road with dust.
Yeah.
They're going to Starbucks.
Need water? I'm good.
As I was editing, I realized I wanted to interject live here because what you don't pick up in the video is that there's an awful lot of tension in the air right now as we drive back to Fern Canyon. The tension comes in that we have been noticing a smell coming from the Honda. It's happened for the last several episodes, and I guess I didn't film my thoughts on it. I think what was happening was we used the Ready Brute tow bar with the mechanical surge brake to it, and the mechanical surge relies on you making an adjustment in a cable that determines how much braking you get. And I think I may have had it set a little too tight as we were going through the mountains, and we were certainly doing a lot of engine braking with the motorhome, which probably would have been applying brakes on the Honda, and we may have just been stressing the brakes on the Honda. There's a definite smell coming from it at this point, and you know, I get online and I hear a lot of folks comment that debris gets up on the engine of a tow car, and that a lot of tow cars will have a certain smell to them. Once you start up the engine, it'll heat up and burn some of this debris from that's gotten on it. Now, backing up that idea, we now tow a Jeep Wrangler, and I did notice very slightly this same smell with the Wrangler, but at this point we're about to drive kind of well off the beaten path, and thinking about how expensive it might be to have a tow vehicle come get us out here at Fern Canyon, and it just had us a bit nervous. Oh, what was the name of the beach? The sign said Blush or something, Bluff or Gold Blush.
Gold Bluff Beach.
Oh, we're bad. We're all bad. Yeah, we're such an informative channel.
So we made it out here to Fern Canyon. A couple of tips. The drive to get out here is, when they say up and over the hill, it's 15 minutes or so through the forest, and then you've got about 4 miles of gravel road, and you have to do some creek crossings, like this one. That wasn't the way to do it.
No. We need to move the car, babe. He's going for it. Watch out for that car. My baby car.
What do we have? An option of going to the beach or the...
Look at their circles, Dad.
Oh, cool.
Isn't that interesting? What kind of tree is that? Looks like a river birch.
Circle tree.
It's a circle tree.
All right, guys, we are here at Fern Canyon.
What was that? I think that was a bubble. I heard a bubble.
Fern Canyon, amazing.
Uh-huh, Jasper. Uh-huh. He couldn't make it.
Is that easy, Jasper?
No.
No.
Go over there.
Why was it hard? No. Jasper, Give me your thoughts on Fern Canyon.
Well, we're covered by one wall and then the other wall, and then there's like a stream in the middle, and you get to walk on logs, and it's fun.
Did you step on that rock? You stepped on that board.
I stepped on the logs.
Well, get off of there. You put both feet on the log?
One there and one on the smaller one.
Hey, Mary.
Whoa.
You get hurt. What you have to do.
Oh my goodness.
Is that gonna move?
I don't know.
No.
I know, right? Oh, that was a slippy. Huh? You know, you don't have the right shoes on for that. Owen's very slick. Ethan, remember, you left Dad behind? I wish we had brought the right shoes. It's so cool. You want to come save your wife?
But it's too horrible.
Yeah.
If you want to know the truth as to why my shoes are soaked and hers are dry, chivalry, right? This is the closest that I've ever felt to the feeling we had hiking the Narrows at Zion. You gotta do it, gotta do it. Don't hurt yourself trying to stay dry, just get wet. I can't attack it fast.
I think you're more steeper this way.
Yeah, I am. I'm just saying I'm not going to hit it fast because there we go. Today is the way we should do trips. We did about 90 miles total. Stopped at like 3 different activities. The Fern Valley hike. And boy, it feels a lot better than 550-mile days. We were coming into the town of Crescent, California. We're getting close to the Oregon border. Just on a whim, just called ahead about 10 miles to the campground that was there. And I think we got pretty lucky. Look at this. So here's our camper. The Pacific Ocean's right over that mountain. This is what our windshield looks out on. Very, very nice. So here's the sunset. We're looking across at boats docked up against the campground. Sun falling behind the mountain. The weather getting nice and cool. So Cindy is out doing some laundry. We're doing laundry a lot different this year. We are staying at places that have laundromats. So we're doing, when we only have like one load to do, we're doing them. In years past, we would stop and have 6 or 7 loads, you know, we'd have 2 weeks worth of clothes to do. This is working out a lot better. If you have a comment, please leave a comment, and also check out our Facebook page at Rolling Ragu. We post pictures on Facebook that are closer to current time. So if you're wondering what we're up to, go check us out over at Rolling Ragu on Facebook. Thank you for joining us. Tomorrow we will continue heading north.